Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to make this beautiful basket. As you can see, we are going to cut small pieces of the paper and then paste all of them. Now we are going to braid them together and make the basket. Similarly, make the handle as well, paste it on the top and it's ready. Here we're going to take this dry twig and cut small pieces. We're going to make a chair. Now paste all those sticks and make the shape of the chair, and look, it is ready. You can also give it a try. Look at this tricycle. Let's learn how you can make it at home. You can see the measurements. So cut small pieces of the bamboo sticks and make the body of the tricycle. Now using this bottle cap, you're going to make the tires and paste all of them together. Make the seat and look, it's ready. Here we are going to use the green sticks of the leaf and then braid it together. As you can see, we are going to put it on the fingers and roll it, cut the extra part, and look, it is ready. You can make more such shapes. Here we are going to make a butterfly using green ginkgo leaves. So we are going to tie a knot using two ginkgo leaves together and then tear it. Cut the extra part of the stick. Now take out your colorful sketch pens, decorate it. So we are going to take a sellotape roll and cover it on the top. Now we are going to color it using sketch pens, put it on the top of the light, and it's ready. Let's make this porcupine. Here we are going to dab the seeds inside the potato. Look how we are doing here in this video. Paste googly eyes and look, your porcupine is ready. Let's reuse this plastic bottle. As you can see, we are going to take out the seeds of the pine cone and then paste all of them on the top of the bottle. Here we are going to make an animal, paste the googly eyes, and look, it is ready. We are going to remove the fruit, look like this. We are going to make these monster face, so carve the eyes using a knife and look, it is ready. You can use it for hanging. Thank you so much for watching this video.